Hey, how's it going, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what actually is Mass Traffic Blueprint. So maybe you've been online for some time, maybe you're just getting started, but really, what traffic is, it's like the life and blood of your business. If you don't have traffic, you don't have a business, and traffic is ultimately like data, but even better, it's like visitors. It's just visitors that come to your site and view your products and purchase things and all this stuff. So really what you want to get great at is how going out there and getting traffic to come to your site, then capturing these visitors in a way to where you're building your internal traffic machine. So this is where you actually start to automate a lot of stuff. But really, like, this blueprint is like, it's like a blueprint that people follow for multi-million-dollar campaigns. And someone like you and like me, we can model it for ourselves and start to implement this to see similar results. Now, you're not going to be able to go out there and generate hundreds of thousands of visitors, even though this plan has generated hundreds and thousands of visitors, if not millions of visitors for people who have used it. But really, it's the best sort of strategy that you're going to want to follow, because ultimately, when you're running ads out there, you run ads and you're probably going to spend a bit of money to acquire a customer, and you're probably not even going to be able to be profitable on them ads. If you don't have Mass Traffic Blueprint, you'll never know all the background stuff that actually goes on to making ads profitable, where you can outspend your competitors, to where you can, run on a system, like a system for the get traffic side and manage traffic side, and ultimately convert your traffic into leads and sales on autopilot, using systems, not necessarily on autopilot, but it will be on autopilot kind of when you have these systems in place. And you only really need to implement a few things here and there on an ongoing basis if you want to, but ultimately it's going to show you how do you actually get, manage and multiply your traffic. This is going into a lot of detailed stuff, and if you've been online for quite some time, you're going to learn a lot of things when you enroll in the free tutorial. You're going to be able to watch the free tutorial, you'll get the blueprint, and ultimately you'll get the free Mass Traffic Blueprint course that goes along with the blueprint. Okay, so this is basically what it is. It's how do you get, manage and multiply traffic. It follows a multi-million-dollar campaign strategy and rollout, and you'll be able to model it too, so that you can get similar results to the top gurus and everything like that. Because most courses and people teaching you traffic out there today, they teach something called the platform dependency model, like go to Facebook and let's get traffic, or let's go to Instagram, get traffic, or we'll just depend on Google to get traffic, and or getting our thingies ranked. But what Mass Traffic Blueprint shows you how to do is how you build your own internal traffic world, to where you never have to depend on anything, any outside source, because you want to speak the language of traffic. And speaking the language of traffic means that you can be, as Bruce Lee says, like water, my friend. When water is in a cup, it becomes the cup. When water is in a bowl, it becomes the bowl. Well, this is the same sense when it goes to traffic. When the next new hot strategy comes out, you can go to that next new hot strategy and implement traffic getting strategies and siphon people into your own world, and manage that the right way, and then multiply your sales, multiply your results, manage that in a way that multiplies your traffic. And there's some things in there that when I first heard of them, it just like blew my mind, and I was like, I'm implementing this right away. As soon as I implemented it, I actually started to see an increase in sales. I started to make more sales with promoting this very same product to other people who actually paid money for it. But today you can get it for completely free, all in good faith, and to help a lot more people to get the results that they're looking for. This is why we're bringing it out and we allowed it for free. What you can do now is just click the button wherever you see it, or click the link below in this video. Go ahead and enroll in the tutorial. You'll learn all about the Mass Traffic Blueprint methodology. Then you'll be able to get the free blueprint for yourself, and you'll be able to enroll in the course completely free. I paid money for this course not that long ago. Other people as well have paid money for this course, and for a limited time only. I'm not sure how long this is going to be like this for. This could change tomorrow, it could change a few days from now. So it's important that you go ahead and actually take us up on this here and learn the methodology for a multi-million-dollar campaign, building a huge business. And you can do this here as a single person and actually learn the strategies that big time gurus run and get massive results with. So this is your time, this is your opportunity to learn about traffic generation for your online business, and you can go ahead and click the button. Like I said, I don't know how long it's going to be free for, but you can get enrolled today as long as you're watching this video for completely free. I paid money for this information, other people have paid money for this information, and in good faith we want to help as much people as possible. So today, like I said, you can get it for free. All you have to do is click the button, and even if you're just brand new and getting started, you're ultimately going to want to learn this from the get-go, because traffic is super important, and you'll want to start off doing these things at the start. You don't want to just build your business and then think about traffic later. You want to think about this stuff first as well. So get yourself enrolled, check out Mass Traffic Blueprint tutorial, and I'll see you on the inside. I might have some few special things for you there as well. I'll see you there. Bye bye.